Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Circuit. This is one more tutorial regarding sorting and searching algorithms. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning about the Radix Sort algorithm. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also at the same time, if you really like the content that we are bringing to you, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and show your support to us. Thank you. And as I said, today's topic will be the Radix Sort algorithm. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm in my whiteboard and the color has changed, right? It's a blackboard actually right now. So we'll start with the Radix Sort algo. Okay, guys, if you remember, we have already learned about the count sort algo, correct? And Radix Sort is related to count sort because if I tell you properly, let me explain you the steps of the algo. Okay, Radix Sort actually works on multiple digit numbers. Okay, and if you remember, count sort worked for single digit numbers 0 to 9. Correct? 0 was the smallest and 9 was the largest. And Radix sort works on multi digit numbers. Guys, if you have not watched the count sort video, I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. Okay, you can go and have a look at that because it will really help you to understand Radix sort better. Fine. And Radix sort can also work for constant length strings. Okay, so let's try to understand about the algo. And as I said, it works for multiple digit numbers. So I will take random numbers, okay? Just any kind of random numbers. Say 32, 246, then say 91, then say we have 326, then we have 9, and say suppose we have 21 here. Okay, just some random numbers. The first step in the algo is in Radix sort, it is to find the max. Okay, so if you see carefully, the max here is 326, right? 326. The importance of this max value is that we actually get the number of digits here. Okay, say suppose the number was 10,000, there will be 5 digits, right? If you see 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digits. Okay, we need this number of digits. That's very important. So in our case, it is 326, and so there are 3 digits in that number. Okay, so it is actually needed to get the number of iterations, or if you say the passes. Okay, and it is called Radix sort because you start from the LSD, that is the least significant digit, and go on to the most significant digit. Okay, that is how the Radix sort algorithm works. Okay, we start from the least significant digit, or you can say the units place, go to the tens, then the hundreds, depending on the largest number or the max number in the array. Fine. And guys, it is also one algo where we don't compare the adjacent elements. If you have heard about the other sorting algorithms like bubble, merge, and others, selection, insertion, okay, there we have to actually compare the elements. Radix sort and count sort are two algos where we do not actually compare the elements. We just take the count. Okay. This is also one non-comparison algorithm. Fine. So as I said, the first step is to find the max. And as I said, it actually gives you the number of passes. So here you can see there are 3 digits. 326 has 3 digits, so 3 passes. Here it will be 3. Okay, after that, Radix sort is somewhat similar to one more algo called the bucket sort. Fine, because now you will be creating 10 buckets. The buckets will be 0 to 9. Fine. So let me create the buckets for you now. I will just draw another array like bucket. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so 0 to 9 we have 10 buckets. Fine, makes sense. Now we always start from the least significant digit and move on to the most significant digit. So that is the units place. Okay, let me take a different color now. Say I will take green. Okay, so guys, you can observe that the array elements, the numbers don't have equal number of digits. So I will just to make the algo more better, we can just add zeros here so that we can make the number of digits in the numbers equal. Okay, so here I will add two zeros, here also I will add one zero. Fine. Now let's start with the units place or the least significant digit. Okay, so 2, 6, 1, 6, 9, and 1. Fine. Now comes the role of the buckets 0 to 9, the 10 buckets. Okay, here simple, I will just do, we'll start from this side. Okay, check whether you have 0. No 0 here, no 0, no 0, no 0 anywhere, right? So we can skip this. We can start with 1 now. Okay, so do you have any 1? Not here, not here. You can see guys, this is a 1. Okay, write this number in that bucket 0, 9, 1. Make sense? Okay, as soon as you find the number, you put that in that bucket of 1. Okay, now again, last one is also 1. You can see here. So I'll put it below that, okay, in the same bucket 0 to 1. Got it? So the job of 1 is done. Now let's search for 2. Okay, you can see the first number is 2. So 0, 3, 2 will come in this bucket. Okay, now after that, we don't have any 2 here. So let's start with 3. If you observe, there is no 3 at all. Then let's search for 4. No 4s also. And if you see, there are no 5s also. So we are just going on skipping the buckets, guys. Understanding? In the units place, we don't have 4 or 5 also. If you see, we have two 6s, 246 and 326. So we can put them in this bucket. Okay. So you can see, I will just write 246. And please remember, the relative position should not be changed. Okay. So 246 come before. So I'm writing it like that only. Okay. After that, 326. I will just go below and write like this 326. Make sense? So we only have one more number. So there are no 7s. We can skip this and no 8s also. If you see, we have only 009. So I'll write it in the bucket of 9. 009. Make sense? So let us update this now. I'm creating the array and let's update the numbers now. Fine. So you will start from this side. Fine. So 091, 021, 032, then 246, then comes 326, then comes 009. Okay. So guys, this is your iteration 1 or pass number 1. Got it? Now we have already taken the least significant digit. Now it will come to the next one, that is the tens place. So I will just mark them with a white color. Fine. Done with this. Now again start. And before that, let me just delete these things. These numbers are not important now. So I'm going to delete them. Got it? Yeah, I'm done with this. Now let me again take the white color. And again guys, for this cycle also, this thing will repeat. Okay, let's search for zeros. If you see, there is only one zero, this one 009. So write it in the bucket of 0 009. Okay, then let's search for 1. There is no 1. Let's search for 2. So 1 is skipped. Okay, let's search for 2 now. You can see 0 to 1. We have 0 to 1, right? Then let's go for this one 3. Is there any more 2? Yeah, we have one more. So let's write it here 326. Got it? Then there is no one. Let's go for 3 now, the third one. So 2 is done. Let's go to 3. Okay. For the third one, if you see 032, this one is the one. 032. Any more? Not there. So let's go to 4 now. 246. If you see, 246 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more number is left. That is the first one, 091. Okay, I will write it in the bucket of 9. 091. Okay, guys, you can see we have skipped this because we don't have numbers with that particular number. Fine. So now let us update it. So I will just paste one more array here and just copy the data from here. So start from this side. So this will be 009. Then we have 021. Then we have 326. Then we have 032. Then we have 246. And finally we have 091. This is iteration number 2 or the pass number 2. Okay. So let me just erase this part because I have reset the counter now. Now then, I hope you have figured out the code, right? Now the next step, what we'll do, we'll go to the most significant digit. That is the hundreds place. Once tens is done, we'll go to the hundreds place. So let's just color that out so that we can be comfortable while solving this. So I'm coloring it. So 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, and 0. Okay, let's start again from this side. So you have lots of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't really change the relative order. Okay, so it will be 009. Then we have 021. Then we have 032. And then we have 091. Correct. Let me drag it a little bit upwards. Fine. So it is 091. Then if you see carefully, we don't have 1. We have directly 2, 246. So it will go here, 246. And then we have 326. It will come here, 326. Okay, now let's again complete our third iteration. So we will start from this side. It will be 009. Then it is 021. Then it is 032. Okay, then it is this one, 091. And then we have 246, and then last we have 326. This is iteration number 3. And as I said, by the time we get the 3 passes or the iterations, we will finally have our sorted array. Guys, if you observe carefully, 009, 021, 032, 091, 246, and 326 is actually our sorted array. Okay, got it? So that's it, guys. That's how it works. That is how the Radix Sort works. But to understand one thing, this iteration, the pass 1, the pass 2, and the pass 3 or the iteration 3, in all the 3 iterations, we will be actually calling our count sort function. Okay? Because count sort gives the sorting for single digit numbers, SDN, right? That's why each iteration of Radix is actually calling the count sort function for every iteration. Then only we get the sorted array. Fine. Is that clear? Now you might be wondering, count sort works for single digit numbers, right? As I said, single digit numbers. Guys, I will again say, if you have not watched our count sort video, you can go and watch it. I'll be giving the link in the description and also in the I button. So count sort works for single digit numbers 0 to 9. But here you can see we had a number called 326, right? Then how do you pass this single numbers? See, it's very simple. For the last one, you just do 326 mod of 10. That will be 6, right? So ultimately, you can pass this to our count sort function. Correct? Then for the next one, you divide 326 by 10. You are getting 32, integer value. Then you do mod of 10. Ultimately, you will get 2. Okay? You pass that to the count sort function. And finally, you again divide 32 by 10. You will get 3. Okay? Then ultimately, you pass this number 3. Okay? To the count sort function. So gradually, like this, you are actually finding out the numbers from this number. Okay, from the entire number, you are just doing divide by 10 and doing mod of 10. Is that clear? So that is how it works. Okay, Guys, this was the first part where I've showed you how the algo works. Okay, I hope you've understood this. Guys, if you really like this video, please give the video a thumbs up. And to support us even more, I request you all to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to write the code. Thanks and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.